Let the games begin. OPEC is at it again. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Wednesday, the 5th of October. And may your if you're celebrating the Jewish New Year, may your fast go well. In the meantime, as we mentioned a few times over the last couple of weeks, OPEC would start screwing around with this oil. And of course, they announced today that they're cutting production by 2 million barrels a day, which pushed prices higher originally. They now are a little bit lower. But they're playing a game here, and I do believe that they're playing it for the election. Okay, so I wouldn't be surprised if there was an increase in production right before the election, but we'll see. In the meantime, crude is down at the moment, but it was up about $1.50 on a major move on the announcement. But we'll see where we go from here. In the meantime, as we thought, the markets are getting clobbered at the moment, but the real key, okay, we're still short crude and we're still short equities. The real key in the equities here is, does the market rally from here? Okay, does the rally fail? That's what you really want to. That's what you're watching for if you think we're going lower. Does the rally fail? Okay, and so far each rally that they've tried has failed, and that should be the pattern going forward, because I still think we're in a massive major downtrend going much lower. In the meantime, okay, gold is lower. We're still short, believe it or not. Silver is lower. We're still long. The bonds and notes are getting clobbered, which we're still short. You know, again, we don't change that fast. The algorithm is designed not to get caught up in the some of the silly games that go on. Okay, the dollar is higher. We're still long. The euro currency is getting hammered, which again, not a surprise. It rallied straight up. Not a surprise it's getting hammered. We're still short. Bitcoin is down. We're short. The copper market is lower. We're long. Natural gas is higher. We're still short. As we look at the grain markets, soybeans are under pressure today, surprisingly. Corn's a little bit lower, wheat's a little bit higher. You know, this is just like a game. I mean, there's no action, there's no volume. We're still long across the board in grains. Excuse me, we're still short across the board in the meats, and the meats are, cattle's kind of flattish. Hogs are charging a little bit higher, up about $2. And the softs, cocoa is higher, we're short. Cotton's getting clobbered, almost on limit, we're short. Sugar's flat, we're short. OJ's getting hammered, which I thought would happen the other day. I knew that this was coming. Again, but we're still long. I mean, it was almost at $2. Okay, and coffee is running higher today, which is from the bottom of the range, and we're still short. It's overall a mixed picture. It's been a rough week. It's been, the markets have not been cooperative in their action. There's been very slow, very light volume. Just be careful, okay? Listen, we got the baseball playoffs starting on Friday, all right? Right now, markets are slow, and today it figured to be slow. Obviously, it is Yom Kippur. But in the meantime, listen, just be careful. This is not a market to show your aggression, okay? You will get tortured for being too aggressive here, okay? Don't forget about our sponsors. Trade Your Brokerage, who is sponsoring our event, which is giving you the ability to get the early bird special, which is like $500. Okay, whether you come in person or you want the live stream. And of course, Capital Trading Group, CTG, our partners in brokerage. We have other brokers, but those are our two favorites. And of course, our high school program. In the meantime, there ain't much to do. There's no football, nothing going on. Have a great day, and just be very careful, as the markets are very treacherous here at the moment. But I would suspect they're going significantly lower. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you later. Bubba's Daily Update.